Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and since Father's Day is right around the corner, I thought I'd do a few Father's Day gifts in the coming month that the little ones can do. This is a suede keychain for Daddy. It's really easy to make. And if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. Okay, what you need is some faux suede cord in the color of your choosing, some alphabet beads if you want to personalize it, some wooden beads, that's optional also, and key rings. They come in different sizes, different colors. I'm not sure which color I'm going to use yet. And if you don't have round beads, they have longer beads. You can find these at Walmart or Joann's or Michael's very easily. They also have the alphabet beads in silver. But I'm going to go with the white today. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, I've chosen to use the black faux suede, and I'm going to cut these in about 8-inch pieces. I also have a black keychain. And I'm not sure if I'm going to use the beads or not. These have the hole in the side, so they're going to have to go like so if I choose to use it. So I'll think about that. But in the meantime, I'm going to cut about 5 of these. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is fold these in half. And then I'm going to put this loop under the key holder, put it through, and pull tight. And I'm going to repeat for the rest of them the same way. And it's funny because I can remember my son making these for his dad when he was about 5. And I did have to help him a little bit, but the threading the beads and the letters on, he really got a kick out of it. Pull that nice and tight. And I'll be back after I get them all on. Okay, I got them all on. And you could leave it like this if you wanted. And it's definitely masculine enough, especially since it is suede. But I'm going to try to get close to the center. And I'm going to try and put these little beads on. And the way the holes are in this, you can't get it so that you're looking at it this way. It's got to be sideways. So I'm going to see how I like it. And since the grandbaby still calls his dad Daddy, I'm going to do Daddy on this, because this one is for my son. My husband still has the one that my son made him. Okay. Now I'm just going to knot the end. And it's nice the way, if you pull suede really tight, and not overly tight, but if you pull it tight, it stays in place. You can always put a drop of glue in there if you like, if you feel that it's not 100% the way you want it. But yeah, it usually holds pretty well. And there's the daddy. And now I'm going to take some of these wood beads and just throw them in and out, in and around in here. And maybe we'll do 2 on each side of the daddy. And I'm just going to knot it the same way. And I'm not going to have them exact. I have one a little bit shorter, one a little bit longer, just to give it a little interest. These wood beads, I know you can get in different colors. They have them in bags with different colors, or for that matter, you can paint them or stain them. And these are pretty much going to go wherever you put the knot. If you put the knot up high, the bead will stay up high. And there it is. All done. And you can put knots in the ones that are just hanging loosely. Or you can put beads on there or whatever. These would be really cute for the grandpap in the family. Just have the kids do Pap Pap or Pap or whatever name they go by. And the more this is used, the softer it gets. I should go get my husband's to show you, but he does use it. And I sure don't want to disappear with his keys. But yeah, he's been using his for 25 years. There you go. An easy Father's Day keyring. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.